So let's see what we'll be expecting for the day on our GU, which is GBP USD. So if you are yet to subscribe and you've not done that, make sure you click on that subscribe button so you will not miss out on the next updates we'll be dropping for you guys. So click on the subscribe button, like, share, and make your comment. Now, if you take a look at this on our trend on GBP USD, you can clearly see that we are in an uptrend mode. This is very much a bullish move to the upside, right? This is very much a trend movement to the upside. Now, for easier and understanding, we will see this to be high. Markets rallied up, gave us an high. Then markets eventually give us a pullback, which is an higher low. Markets eventually rallied up again and gave us an higher high before markets gave us a pullback, which is an higher low. Markets eventually pushed up again to give us another higher high, and markets did what? A pullback, which is an higher low. So market has eventually given us that rally movement, which has now formed a new higher high. So our next movement on GBP USD is an higher low, right? That is what we should be expecting. Another reason why we'll be expecting that higher low is that when you zoom it in right here, within this level, market once ranged, right? This was once the resistance and the support level. Now, market eventually has now given us that bullish move, and it has breaking out. It broke out of the resistance level, right? It broke out of that resistance level. Now, we should be expecting market to give us that pullback to come to retest that resistance level. So you can see that market pushed up and broke above the resistance level. Now, we should be expecting market to give us a pullback to come retest that resistance level, which means we should be anticipating for at least a short-term bearish move, right? A short-term sell is what we should be expecting on GBP USD. So once market can give us the pullback to tap our resistance level, then we can now start looking for a buy again around the resistance level. So more of these updates will be covered for you guys. So all you just need to do is click on that subscribe button and click on the bell notification. So once I drop it, you will get the updates instantly.